सो हेलो गाइस। मैं हूँ विपराज एंड आज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन टू प्रोग्रामिंग एंड इन दिस कोर्स वी विल लर्न अबाउट पाइथन. Python is a very versatile language. You know, Python in in all the fields we use Python. So let's start. Introduction to programming. Software. Software is the set of instruction to the hardware. You also know software. Software means RAM, ROM, software like Linux, Windows, Mac OS. Software. This is a software and programming. Introduction to programming. Programming means writing the instruction. These instructions are called as code. Programming means like we give instructions to the computer, then they will run a task, and this will and the task we perform it is used by code. So in the next slide, syntax. Syntax refers to the set of rules or grammar that defines how code must be written in a programming language. What is programming language? Firstly, we will learn about programming language. Programming language is a programming language is a way for humans to give instruction to a computer so it can perform tasks. That we have learned previously that we write a code and it perform a task. So that we write a code in a programming language means if we write a code, so we have a programming language like Python, Java, C++. In this, we will learn about Python. So, what is syntax? Syntax refers to a set of rules of grammar that defines how code must be written in programming language. And Python. Python. Why we use Python or why we write in code in Python? So Python is a versatile language and have application on the field. In the evolving AI era, the Python is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, backend development. Python is very useful in backend development and it is very important for take a job in many companies. Then we will firstly see about our first program, Hello World. Hello World. How to print Hello World in Python program. So firstly we will make a file hello.py. Remember that every file in Python we use .py in the last. So print, sorry, this is Hello World. You can see this is a you can see hello world is print. We can also print anything like hello hello Python. This also will run. You can see it is also run.